I watch those numbers coming up, obviously one of the classes has a lot more practice staying at home and doing gestures like this repeatedly. And watch, it's about like reverse instant. Jesse, you're the prophet, yes, but when it comes to rhymes, you're gonna stress. You're good with the code, and algorithms too, but on the mic, I'm the one who outshines you. You have one damn job, create some tasks, but looking at those solutions, dude, were you hitting the flask? But let me add your lectures, you should have taught them to trace. But damn, dude, those horizontal lines? Total disgrace. When it comes to CS, though, he is the master of the web. But man, I'm looking at AutoLab. Were you dropped on your head? Speaking of AutoLab, what's up with AutoGrader? Wait. AutoGrader down again? I guess I'll see you later. Let's go back to those tasks that you created as you please. But looking at the wording, we don't speak CSE. I know now, you will complain that I haven't read the syllabus. But that's what I've got you for. What was that this? Also, so I went by your office the other day, but while looking for you, I just found a TA. Now, let's break down where you're gonna go. Your slides, mistakes, to gain the flow. You'll start spelling numbers in 15s in a row. But here's the thing that we all know. You're stuck using slides because your thoughts are too slow. You talk about slides and how knowledge will grow. But when did you finish it? Last night? Now let's get back to talking about a mistake and how I was typing. You call me a flake? But honestly, dude, you should jump in a lake. As all you can do is hide behind slides. I've got to sit here while rolling my eyes. After I'm done, you're going to go have some tries. Yeah, that was me. And speaking of slides, are they actually done? You claim no mistakes? Well, it should be fun. Your traces are pitiful and just plain old wrong. I make mistakes. And say, I made mistakes, but are your thoughts carriage drawn? And you think you can win? Such a pawn. So there, you have it, Jesse. My rhymes are true. When it comes to rap, I'm better than you. Don't take it hard, it's just a game. Thank you for playing. Now it's time to end this swing.
So you keep rubbing me with the slide lines and more. Well, the genie's out the bottle now. I'm ready for war.
Your thoughts are contained in a curly bracket.
Hey, enough with the racket. Will you write off your tablet? I'll read off my phone. I need a little hint. I am really slow. Stu's never heard of careful what you wish for. I grant him 3, and he's still wishing for more. Oh, and they don't know that I ghost wrote most of the code. You got your name on the Git commits, but you and I know that it came from my Scala repo. And when you were on your own, that code looked so gross, I thought it was an April Fool's joke.
You can't actually read code, which we saw in the trace.
Reading week 13, I felt like I was having a fever dream. Q had a bug that messed with my man's task 9. Responsibility, you deny. Blame, you reassign. You say it's my fault, like it's your punchline, yet you're making mistakes all the time. And for this battle, did you even design any rhyme? Or did you just write the first words that came to mind while you were drinking wine? Or did you take what the TAs wrote you and just read it and said, that's fine? So I'm sounding like a superstar in the song. You sound like you take too many hits from the bomb. All right, it's finally done. Time to go home now. Meet on the road and fall to the south town. It's been a long semester, it's time to get unwound. We literally danced for y'all. Get the fuck out now!